Hi guys.
Hi.
Oh, they're outside.
Sneak up on me.
Yeah, just
You're the kind of
Okay. Oh yeah, this is me with the girls. Ready? Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Wait, happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! She said, I came to practice like a man. So they are reviewing their video.
Guys, my legs hurting.
Cute. And take you girls to calm. Yeah, so we decided so this is the first day trying on the heels. Do some running, I don't know. Oh yeah. Oh my god. Is it approved? Yeah. But yeah. Oh wait, this is us, Namir. This is our first practice after announcing they're going to calm.
This is me shooting and I'm gonna go perform right now and like a little bit. So yeah. Go. Hi, my name is Kat. I'm Coach Sue's favorite NKS member. This is Bella before the performance.
This is Coach Sue before the performance.
This is Audrey before the performance. This is Bella before the performance. This is Darla before the performance. This is Kat before the performance.
This is Sadie before the performance.
This is Natalie before the performance. This is Joanne.
Guys, we were right after these people.
Hashtag save us. Hashtag save us. What's going on? This is Joanne and this is me before the performance. They're doing so good. Let's hope we do good too, guys. NKS vlog. Save us. Yeah, guys. Support our small business.
Guys, I'm sorry because nobody is ready right now. Nobody is ready to just mess around. I just want to mess around. I'm just kidding, guys. Coach Sue actually gets really bad at messing around. I'm sorry. Love you lots. No, I'm just kidding, guys. Where's Dana? Somebody find Dana.
Yeah. Hi, Nancy's phone.
Joe, why are you running like that? Woo, go Joe!
Right here. It's easy to turn.
Hi, go Sue.
I'm not doing this.
We're recording, but we're recording.
Why is it so hot in here?
2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday
You're just right there.
I think we're gonna make about more than we did last time.
I think we're gonna make 1,000.
Yeah,
1,000.
Look at Ray.
Yay!
I got push.
Yeah, look at all that money. We're making so much more here than last time. So
I think I just flipped it on.
this is us right now. Woo! Anyways, this is them. We're jamming to Chen Zhong right now while we're selling cookies. Anyways. Today we know Ashley's got a lot to say. We got to yell again. Ashley's been in no business.
Your new tea cactus is Audrey.
Oh shoot! I can do a plank.
一冷鸟一上路，草莓给路，鸳鸯正好着香。
Hi, Coach Nancy's phone. This is us before we go up and do our little pageant. Outfit check. Okay, so here's my blue set. So here's my blue set. This is, from Sue. Yeah. Okay, look next. This is my phone set. This is Coach Sue's outfit with my skirt. Yeah. Okay. Ooh. So you can go. This is my outfit. Okay. This is my outfit. Ooh, strike that. Okay. And that's all of our outfits. Bye.
So this is after Clovis Fest performance and 559 Market, and we are back at practice. The girls are trying on their hats and their sew and their bracelets. Sue's eating like always. Big back, big back. I'm just kidding. But yeah, so the girls are just putting on everything so that we could practice. Say hi, girls, for the vlog.
Hi.
Sherry's spoiling them with cup noodles. Girl, you may pick it up. Okay, but yeah, bye vlog. This is our NKS vlog. We are at Dave & Buster's. Where's our other girls?
Hi guys, hello. I have no eyelashes on. Right now it's 12 o'clock and we're still at Nancy's house.
Hey,
She's keeping us locked. Wait, what's that sound? Have a photo shoot tomorrow? Help! What's wrong with your sock?
Can you do a music?
Why can I see her tail? You guys like them?
Like it's so panicky. Oh hell no.
Oh, we're gonna come after yours. Better keep one eye open. Give me your money.
Okay, spin. Wait, can y'all spread out? Let's spin.
We're not ready for welcome. We're gonna back out. Everyone is ready. Let's do the over all the drinks. What is it? Yeah. Ready? 1, 2. We have to spin like let's spin in one direction. Ready? 1, 2. Bye, Bob.
Hello vlog. This is Kathy and Audrey. They're getting ready for our SAC performance because we're waiting for our food and might as well get stuff done. Yeah. Look at Audrey. She's so pretty. That is literally the comp makeup. Kathy needs to wear her red lipstick, but we'll get there. Okay, I'm going to record back when they are done with their hair, and it's gonna be like a whole transformation thing. Okay, bye. Okay, welcome back. We quickly did their hair in the car. It doesn't look that good right now. It doesn't look that good, but it's okay. So now we're gonna open up our drinks. Does see Audrey? Yeah, it does. Okay. So you have to poke it. Okay. You guys see the little X one? Well, we can eat. So let me poke it. Hi guys. Filming our own vlogs. I know. Oh. I don't know which. Is it cinnamon roll? Yeah, cinnamon roll. Oh, it's so cute. That's why I was like, okay, look at it. Cinnamon roll. Let's see what they got. That is so cute. Wait, we all got the same. Wait. No way. That is so cute. How 3 of us got the same character.
What if it is the same character?
Oh, that one is so cute. Look at this. Okay.
Mine has stars on top as well. I love mine. Wait, I don't know what mine is.
I think we're pairs. Okay. We gotta go. Bye.
Bye.
We all got the surprise cup from Boulder Tea in Stockton though. Sue and them are at the Sacramento location. Okay, are you guys ready? You just pop it on the bottom. Stuck. Oh, I got this one. It's like a unicorn. Oh, that one's cute. What'd you get?
Sorry, guys. I got a mermaid.
You got a mermaid? Oh, that's so cute. Why is mine the odd one? You guys all got the Hawaiian ones. We made it to the wedding. We are here. Isn't it so pretty? Look at the view. Look, not that. Look at the view. Girls, how do you guys feel? Are you guys excited?
I feel cramped. Oh my god. I took a big fat nap on the way here.
I'm gonna roll by.
My neck going like this.
Do you guys like the blush? Look at that blush. I know, I zoomed in. You can actually see it on the video. Do you see it on video? Yeah. Blush.
We all look the same.
Is that? Do it again.
Oh, I can't.
This is our first dress rehearsal. Wait, they're singing. It's our dress rehearsal. Oh my god, it's so pretty.
Your guys' hair is gonna look like. Let me see the bag.
So pretty. So it is 10:30, 10:20, I don't know.
It's 10:25.
10:25, and we've been working on this for 2 hours. We are organizing every single girl's box. As you can see, we're dying. My back hurts, and I have to glue every single butterfly because it's fragile.
We have to fix the girls' belts because we did a full dress rehearsal and they broke.
Yep, so
Just going in and fixing whatever that broke and stuff.
yeah, this is what coach life consists of. Okay, bye, good night.